Welcome, this is the third video of the Network Automation series. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Python on your system. Downloading Python. Before you start Python programming, you will need Python to install on your computer. Many operating systems, including Mac OS and Linux, come with Python pre-installed. The version of Python that comes with your operating system is called the System Python. Check whether you already have an up-to-date version of Python installed by entering Python in a command line window. To check the Python installation on your system, press the Home key on Windows 10 and type CMD in the search bar. And press Enter key will open your command line window. Type Python in the command prompt. You see in my system Python is already installed and the version is 3.10. Type exit with parentheses will exit the Python interpreter. And type exit again will shut your command prompt. If you need to install Python, you may download the most recent stable version from the Python website. This is the one with the highest number that isn't marked as an alpha or beta release. Please see the Python download page for the most up-to-date versions of Python for Windows and for other operating systems. Open the browser of your choice and head over to the Python website for downloading the most recent version of Python. This is the main page of the Python website. Click on the Download tab. If you click this yellow button, the latest version of Python will start downloading. Below this yellow button, you see the links for other operating system. If I scroll down the download page, you will see the all previous release as well as the latest version of Python. I'm going to install the latest version, which is 3.11.1. This page has information about the release date, which is December 6, 2022, and new features of the 3.11 series, compared to 3.10 and much more. But as a beginner, we don't need these information. At the bottom of the page, I click the Windows installer, 64-bit, as per my operating system, and the download has been started. I have clicked the download icon, and when it is completed, the installation process will start. The file size is very small, only approximate 24 megabits. As you are seeing the Python installation windows. The most important point is here in the Python installation, you must click on the checkbox Add Python to the path. As I have installed already an older version of Python. So I'm going to select the custom install to select only a different location for this latest version. But you don't need this way if you are going to install Python for the first time on your system. The remaining process is the same per default. In the C drive, I made a new folder named Python 3.11. Click OK, and click on the Install button and wait for the installation to complete. The installation setup has been completed. Click on the Disable Path length and close the setup. That's the end. Thanks.